Hi, my name is Jenna. I'm one of the physical therapists here at Loudoun Sports Therapy Center, and today we're going to talk about what is a pulled muscle. So you've probably heard the term before when you feel like you're sore and something has happened, but you don't know quite what it is. You may call it a pulled muscle. So a pulled muscle is just another word for a muscle strain, which basically means there is a tear or a stretch of the muscle fibers there. So there's going to be 3 grades of muscle strains. Grade 1 would be the mildest version, so it's just a stretch or slight tear of some of the muscle fibers, but it's generally less than 5% of the fibers are affected. Grade 2 is pretty moderate, so you're going to have more severe pain, range of motion limitations, and also strength limitations with this. There's a greater number of muscle fibers that will be torn with a grade 2. Grade 3 is a complete rupture. This is the worst that you can have, so it's not as common. But grade 3 is a rupture of the tendon from the muscle belly, so that's when it actually pulls away and breaks in half. Definitely don't want to have one of those. So treatment for a muscle strain, pretty much just resting it and icing it to begin with, and then you want to make sure that you strengthen to avoid the risk of re-injury. So physical therapy is one of the perfect ways to get back to what you were doing. It's a strengthening program that we do to help build some muscle strength back and get your range of motion back, get you back to sport just like you wanted to do. And we also help to give you techniques to prevent re-injury and keep it from happening if it did happen in a sport setting or something that you do pretty common. Unfortunately, at grade 3, we cannot do much for. However, it will require surgical repair, and ultimately you end up at PT afterwards to help rehab.